Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. Today we're doing a dry base chaos style Dutch pour blowout, whatever you want to call it. Just a blowout on a dry base. This is a lot of fun, and I'm already thinking of different compositions, different color palettes, just different ideas, textures, all that kind of stuff. So many different things going in my head after I did this one. So lots of potential. I hope you guys enjoy. Here I'm just brushing on some leftover chalk paint that I had. I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to spray on some marble gold spray paint effect by Montana. Use your spray paints with caution, safety, masks, ventilation, all that stuff. Very important. So enjoy the process. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget about Florida early bird special. If you sign up through the 10th of September, you get an early bird pricing for the courses. Delray Beach, Florida. I cannot wait. I hope you guys join me. Let me know if you're coming. Yeah, so here, sit back, enjoy, and I hope you guys like this and get inspired to do your own and just have fun and play. That's what I did. All right, guys, I'll pop in at the end of the video for the dried results. Talk soon. See you on the other side. Bye. All right, guys, so here we have it. It's just about dried. That is a little bit wet, but it's safe enough to put up so you guys can see it. I'm thinking a coat of resin over that. I might go in with some, like a gold metallic paint marker and follow the edge of the blowouts. I thought that might be nice. So there you have it. I hope you guys are inspired to play with backgrounds and blowouts. I'm going to show you the dried result from my previous video as well. Don't mind my mess. Okay, so this is the big bloom blowout. So it dried nice. I did have a bug kind of try and, I don't know what he was doing, but he was trying to get out and I don't think he survived. There's that. And then this is another project I'm working on. So I'll keep you posted on that. All right, and back to that. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget about Delray. Bye.